Very warm greetings, my dear students. In this video, we are studying Calculus 1. In particular, we are going to concentrate on limits and continuity. Students, consider the graph here. So it is a graph of a function, linear function, y equal to fx. This fx axis or y axis, we can say it is our x axis. Suppose x equal to 1, x value I am taking 1. What is the corresponding f of x value? How we are finding this? Here to here, we have to draw a line perpendicular. And from this point to y axis, we can draw the line. So this is our f of x value when x equal to 1. So if x equal to 1, f of x is also equal to 1. Or otherwise we can say f of 1 equal to 1 here. Suppose x equal to 5 I am considering. What is f of 5? We are going to find out. The corresponding point is this point and corresponding value is 5. So we can say f of 5 is equal to 5. You have to see here, I am taking x value minus 3. What is f of minus 3 from this corresponding point, and the corresponding number is here minus 3. So we can say f of minus 3 equal to minus 3. So like that we can find out the value of f of a when x takes value a. But suppose x equal to 3 I am considering. Corresponding value here, it is a circle, it is a white circle we can say. So if like this circle, white circle available, mean corresponding value is undefined. So when x equal to 3, f of x value is undefined. So what is the meaning here? Suppose we want to find out f of 3 value, f of 3 is undefined. Similarly, you have to see if x value minus 2, what is f of minus 2 value? Corresponding value also here white circle. So f of minus 2 value is undefined. So from the graph, we can say the value of f of x easily. But here x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 2, the corresponding value of f of x is undefined. So for this case, if x is approaches to 3, not x equal to 3, x value approaches to 3, where f of x approaches, we are going to find out. So x value approaches to 3, we can write like this notation. X value approaches to 3, f of x value where it is approaches. So I can write as notation limit of f of x. How we are reading this, limit of f of x when x approaches to 3. What is the value? Already we know x f of 3 value not defined, undefined. So in this case, when x approaches to 3, where f of x approaches, at least where f of x towards which point, which value, we are going to find out this. It's a concept of limits here. Okay, so this is our x, this is our y. Already we are taking here x equal to 3 and f of 3 is undefined. Suppose here I have x. What is the corresponding value? This value on the graph. And this is our f of x value here. Okay. This is our f of x. I am marking here. So this value x is going towards this side. If x value towards this side means this fx value, it is going towards here. Understand this? So I am taking x is approaches to 3, then this f of x approaches to this point. What is the point here? Corresponding value is 3. So x is approaches to 3, then f of x is also approaches to 3. Same way, suppose here I have x. The corresponding f of x should be here. The corresponding number is this f of x value when x is here. So this x approaches towards like this, then f of x also towards this point. So x is approaches to 3 like this, then f of x also approaches to this point. This corresponding value is 3 here in this example. So what is the mean? X approaches from left side of 3 to 3 here. In this side mean x approaches to 3 from right side. How we are writing this in notation? So the value of f of x or f of x approaches, we can write limit of f of x. X approaches to 3. From left side mean I am writing here minus. What is the meaning? The value of f of x or f of x approaches to some value. When x is approaches to 3, here I am writing minus mean left side. In this example, what is the value? It is 3. Similarly, limit f of x, if x approaches to 3 from right side means we have to write plus. What is the value? F of x is also approach. Here you have to see x approaches to 3, f of x approaches to this point. This point is here. Corresponding value in y is 3. Okay, so limit of f of x or f of x approaches. If x approaches to 3 from left side, value equal to 3. What is the meaning of this? Limit of f of x or f of x approaches to 3 if x approaches to 3 from right side. How to say it is called left limit of f of x. Left limit we can say It is right limit. Right limit we can say. We have to see every function. We can find out the left limit and right limit. If these two are equal, then we can say limit of the function fx exists at the particular point. So left limit, I'm writing like this, limit x tends to particular point. So in place of 3, I'm taking a in general. So in left limit, if this equal to limit x tends to a plus fx, if these two are equal, that is equal to limit of f of x. Limit x tends to a fx. So we have to find out left limit, mean left side of a, x approaches to a from the left side. A plus mean x approaches to a from the right side. So x tends to a mean if these two are equal, then limit available. Understand this? Dear student, consider this example. Here x value 2 I am taking. F of 2 value undefined. Easily we can say f of 2 is undefined. Now I want to find out left limit of fx and right limit of fx at the point x equal to 2. So what we are going to find out? Limit of fx when x tends to 2 from left side. What is this value? Limit of fx when x tends to 2 from right side. What is this value? If these two are equal, then we have to think about next. Okay, so now here x is here, x approaches to 2 from left side, mean fx is approaches to this point here. Okay, what is this point? Corresponding number here 1, 2. So x approaches to 2, fx is approaches to this point, the corresponding value is 2. So easily we can say it. And suppose here I am having x approaches to 2 from right side. Right side means fx is here, fx is approaches to this point. What is the corresponding value? This value is 3 here. So I am taking 3. So left limit equal to 2 and right limit equal to 3. Left limit and right limit both are not equal here. So limit x tends to 2, fx not exist. Okay, if these two are equal, then we can say exist. So any graph, we can find out the limits easily like this. In this example, we have to see what is the left limit of f of x at x equal to minus 1. Our limit x tends to minus 1 from left side. So minus fx equal to, what is the value? We are going to find out. So x equal to minus 1 here. Okay, so suppose here x approaches, mean x approaches to minus 1 from left side. So like this it will be approaches. What is the point? This point, what is the corresponding number? Is equal to 5. We can find out the right limit. Limit of f of x at x tends to minus 1 from right side equal to right side. Suppose here x approaches to minus 1 here means the corresponding value. here it is approach. Again here it is 5. Left limit and right limit both are equal. So limit x tends to minus 1 fx equal to, both are equal, no? So we can say 5. In the previous example, both are not equal. So not exist. Here both values are equal. Same idea. What is the limit of f of x when x tends to 1 minus? So x is 1 here. This is a corresponding point. So x tends to, suppose here x tends to 1 from left side. So fx is tends to this point. What is the corresponding point? It is 1. And limit of f of x at x tends to 1 from right side equal to, suppose x is here, x tends to 1 from right side mean, so like this it is approached. So again the same value. So what we can say, limit of x tends to 1 f of x equal to 1, because both are equal. Left limit and right limit are equal here. Same way, x approaches to 2 from left side and right side, we are going to find out limit of x tends to 2 from left side. The corresponding value of f of x or f of x approaches. What is the value? So 2, x approaches to 2. Suppose x is here, x approaches to 2 from left side mean corresponding to like this. What is the value? Corresponding value equal to 2. Similarly, limit x tends to 2 plus f of x value equal to 2 plus mean x approaches to 2 from right side. So right side mean approaches like this. Again this value is equal to 2. Here you have to see left limit and right limits are equal. So limit x tends to 2, f of x is 2 here. Clear? Here we have some questions. Evaluate the following limits from the figure. Some graph is given. From the graph, easily we can find out left limit, right limit and everything. So first one you have to see what is here, limit of f of x when x tends to 0 from left side. So 0 is here, x may be here, x tends to 0 from left side mean corresponding value. This is a function fx and here also same fx. So x tends to 0 mean fx is going to this point. What is this point here? It is minus 2. So limit of f of x when x tends to 0 from left side is equal to minus 2. Same way, limit of f of x when x tends to 0 from right side. Okay, suppose here x is available, x tends to 0 from right side. So x tends to 0 means f of x is like this, it is going like this. Okay, so the value finally it is going to 0. How to see left limit at x equal to 0 we are finding. Right limit of f of x at x equal to 0 we are finding. Both are not equal. Left limit and right limits are not equal. So what we can say, limit x tends to 0, f of x is not exist. The question D you have to see. Here no left limit, no right limit. Already I told to you in the previous slides. Limit x tends to 1. X tends to 1 corresponding point you have to see here no, here defined 1 and it is continuous. There is no break in the graph. Okay, so easily we can say that value is -1. If there is a break, if it is undefined, then only we have to worry about the value. Got to go for left limit and right limit. Here defined, no problem. Directly you can say. Similarly, you have to see limit x tends to 2 fx value. X tends to 2 fx value. At the point 2, what is fx value? It is 0. Easily we can say the value is 0. Okay, so like this we can find out. Consider this example. One graph is given and we have to find out some limits. Same idea. Carefully you have to see. First one you have to see. Limit of fx when x approaches to -2 from left side. So x is here, x approaches to -2 from left side. So fx is approaches to like this. What is the corresponding value? Corresponding value is 0. So I can say the left limit is 0. Same place, right limit. So suppose x may be here, x approaches to -2. So x approaches to -1 means f of x approaches like this. So what is the corresponding point? It is 2. So this left limit and right limit both are unequal. So we can say the limit not exist. Similar way, we have to see for remaining 3 limits. Here what they are asking, limit x tends to 2 minus fx. So x is approaches to 2 from left side. Suppose here x approaches to 2. X approaches to 2 mean here fx approaches like this. What is fx approaches? Corresponding value, it is -2. So this value -2. So next one, limit of f of x, x approaches to 2 from right side. Suppose x is here, x approaches to 2 like this mean corresponding fx approaches to this point. What is this point? You have to see. Here it is 2. Now also you have to see left limit is -2, right limit is +2, both are unequal. So we can say limit x tends to 2 fx not exist. So like this we can find out the limits when graph is given. Thank you very much.